Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today we are going to talk about respiration. What is respiration? How does it take place? We will study today. Respiration. This word actually is misconsidered as a respiration is the process by which oxygen gets into the food and food is oxidized to get broken into to get energy, but it is misnomer. Respiration is the broader concept. Respiration consists two parts, two mechanisms. One is respiration at organismic level, that is called breathing. Second is the cellular respiration. Now here we will today study about only respiration or at the breathing or organismic level or external respiration we can say. The respiration at cellular level is called the internal respiration, and the respiration at the organismic level, just getting in of air and getting out of air, is called the external respiration. Now, external respiration, gases exchange, breathing, inhalation, and exhalation, these are all the terms same related with the gases exchange. Now, gases exchange is a broader concept which takes place in plants as well as in the animals. But in plants, gases exchange takes place for two purposes. One is for the photosynthesis process. The carbon dioxide gets inside the body of the plant and oxygen gets out of the body of the plant. But in animals, there is only one process, one purpose of gases exchange. That is only for the respiration. Now, this gases exchange or respiration, gases exchange or respiration, how does it take place? There are various modes of gases exchange or mechanisms of gases exchange found in different animals. But main thing is that there is a respiratory surface which is common to all. Now, what is respiratory surface? Respiratory surface is the surface from where gases pass into the cell or from which gases pass out of the cell. For suppose in our human respiratory system, there is a respiratory surface that is called the alveoli. Okay. Now in alveoli there are capillaries surrounded over the alveoli. So gases get exchanged between these two portions. So this portion of the lungs from where gases go into the capillaries, this site is called as respiratory surface. First of all, we will know that how does gases exchange occur in the unicellular organisms. In unicellular organism, gases exchange occur through the cell membrane by the process of diffusion. And you know that diffusion process is common to all the type of organisms. Either it may be plant, either it may be a bird or a frog or a fish. All do possess a respiratory surface, and from where diffusion is the only process which takes the process of the gases exchange. Now today I will summarize whole the process of the gases exchange which occur in the different animals, their respiratory surfaces. Now, what is respiratory surface? The properties of respiratory surface we have to discuss today. Respiratory surface, I have already told you that respiratory surface is the surface from where gases pass into the body, inside the body cells or out of the cells of the body. Now, respiratory surface must be permeable. First property is that it must be permeable. Second property is that it must be thin, of about 1 millimeter in thickness and lesser than this, but not more than this. Okay. Now, thin 1 millimeter and 3 point is that it must have wet surface area. It must be wet. Fourth property is that it has larger surface area to volume ratio. Larger surface area. Fifth point is that it must have the gradient, diffusion gradient, means a higher concentration to lower concentration system must be present there. Now I am summarizing all the respiratory surface of the organisms. In fishes there is a respiratory surface that is called the lamella. In frog there are alveoli in the lungs. Others are the cutaneous respiration, the skin, and there is a buccal respiration, also the buccal cavity. And another is in birds is the parabronchi, and in humans the respiratory surface is the alveoli. Okay, in our next lecture we will study about all these types of the respiratory surfaces and human respiratory system. So stay connected with me, inshallah I will clear all these concepts. Thank you very much.